Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 3T1040, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Settings. Then you need to choose Bluetooth and device connection. Tap on Printing section over here and select Default Print Service. Now click on this sweater if it's not already on and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you want to use different print service, you need to disable this one and go back. Now tap on Add Service instead and install the best one for you. In my case, HP one. When your service is ready, go back again. Then click on your new service and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!